Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing 4 easy ponytails. So this is a request that has come through a few people on my Instagram. Mums and people who are busy and don't really have the time to do a nice little updo in their hair. So I thought these 4 ponytails can be used for any occasion at any time and take less than 5 minutes. So I have a few tools that I'm going to use. You will need hair ties and maybe a couple of bobby pins, and for another one I'm going to be using a scarf. I would greatly appreciate a like, share and subscribe if you are not already, and let's start. Okay, so for the first ponytail, grab a hair tie, and this is going to be a it's going to be a ponytail that sits here. We are first going to tie the hair up and grabbing from the bottom so you can smooth the bottom of your hair. Tie it tightly, just so it comes up to the middle a bit. And then what we can do is grab a bit of hair from underneath the ponytail, and then what we want to do is we want to wrap it around the band. So you just grab and wrap, grab and wrap until you're at the end of the hair, using a bobby pin, and put it at the end of the hair and just pin it underneath your ponytail. And that should be secure. Check that your rubber band is covered and move your hair accordingly. And if you like, you can put some hairspray on it to ensure that it's covered. So for style number 2, we are going to do a pull through ponytail. So all we need to do for this is create a hole in the ponytail through here that comes out at the bottom. You can use the end of a brush to create the hole. So if you want it down the centre, just to create a hole there, or you just use your fingers. So I'm going to use my fingers. So all you need to do is find the centre, create a hole, and keep pushing the hair to the side until you come through to the other end. And then once you've done that, you can twist your hair just so it's easier for it to pull through, and then put the fingers through at the bottom, ready to grab the hair from the top and pull. Pull that hair through and create a twisted ponytail. Okay, so for look number 3, I'm going to be using the scarf. So all you need to do, you can have it as a low ponytail or a top ponytail. I'm going to be doing a low ponytail. Tie the hair. Grab your favourite scarf, and then tie it once like you'd do a shoelace. So grab, and just like you would do a shoelace, wrap around. Pull it through. We have a little bow. So for the fourth look, we are going to be doing a volume pony and we're going to do this by doing 2 ponytails and then putting together as one. So you start off by just above your ear, making a line down the middle of your head and separating the hair. So what you do, how you start, is by creating a line just from above your ear and creating a parting in your head, and then twist and clip this bit, and with the rest at the bottom, just gather it, make sure it's smooth with your fingers at the bottom so it's clean. And then if you go to the centre of the head here, just underneath the top, and tie a tight ponytail. And you can already see, just from doing it here, there's already a bit of volume. We're going to add this bit on. So do the same, grab the hair, and you can make sure, so for example, on this side, you can make sure if you want some bits loose that you just pull them a bit loose, and the same goes for this side. Make sure you have it exactly on top of this ponytail. And tie. And bring them as close to each other as possible, as you can see here. And if you want to create more texture in your hair, grab and pull, and you get a bit of texture in your hair. If you have any unwanted bits, you can go through with a bobby pin and just add them in, just like that. It's like we did on the first ponytail. Grab a chunk of hair from the bottom and then twist it around both of the bands, pulling it into one. And then when we get to the bottom, grab a bobby pin and secure underneath. And if you have anything like this, just use your fingers and go along like a brush in your hair and move hair around as you need. Okay, so now if you want to create some height on this area of the ponytail, what you can do is lift this part up into small sections, and I'm going to be using Bedhead. This is Superstar Queen for a Day. spray a little bit in the hair, and then back comb to the root. You can also do this with dry shampoo if you don't have this, and you can also do it with a bit of hairspray. And then once you've back combed the hair, you can separate it, and then you have created for yourself a volumized ponytail. And you can go in and back comb as many bits as you like to create more volume in your hair. So you can look like this. So there you go, you have 4 easy ponytail styles which you can do in less than 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see in the comments below, and I would love if you liked, shared and subscribed, and I'll see you next time.